Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to open my Boxycharm for the month of November. Want to see what's in here this month? Sit back, take the break with us. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for returning. I'm Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And this is Chaos Break. We do a lot of makeup things, subscription boxes, trying new things.
Buying stuff.
Online shopping.
For the videos.
For the videos. Yes, it's always for the videos.
Gotta do it for the videos. This is for research purposes. Should write it off on our taxes.
There we go.
Don't do that.
No. I don't know how that works. Don't
advise that. You have to put a disclaimer at the bottom of the screen now.
If you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month. If you do like 3 or 6 months at a time, you can get it a little bit cheaper. Usually has like 4 to 6 full-size items. Usually has a value over $100.
What you guys do a year or something?
We do 3 months at a time, so I think it's $19. What was I going to say? Oh, I'm going to leave a link down below, like if you wanted to sign up. It is a like referral code. I don't really get anything from it except for points. And then if you were to use that referral code, I believe each of us would get a special item. I'm not sure what the one is this month, but they usually have a different one every month.
Oh, really?
Like a bonus item.
I didn't know about that.
So I will leave that down below if that's something that you're interested in. If not, just go to Boxycharm and check it out. All right, let's see what's in here. Maybe. I haven't opened it. I did see like one person's video, so I kind of know, but I think sometimes there's variations, so they're not always the same.
Got it?
I think I can get it. It'll just take me 6 years.
Let me use the flat edge.
Oh, Bella. Alright, so always comes like this. I'll give you the card. So I feel like I always get variation 1.
That's because you're number 1.
Thanks. Yes, I think you did too. I knew these were going to be in here, but I'm so excited. These are Luxie brushes. They're so cute. I could tell them what the value of them is.
Hold on. Excuse me. $21. Luxie Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. Want to keep reading?
You can keep reading, I just can't open them.
The Luxe Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. Well, how do they have a value? The Luxie 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. While the Luxie 121, is that one?
Hold on, this is the mini round one. This one.
While the Luxie 121 mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxie 131 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color into your crease.
So really cute. They're glittery gold. I like all the Luxie brushes I've gotten from Boxycharm, and I think I got a couple from Ipsy too. So I really like those. Those are exciting. And they're nice little brushes that you don't find, I think, in a lot of sets, like to do very detailed stuff with. Next up, from Cover FX, these are glitter drops. Ooh.
Glitter drops. Value of $44.
This is in the shade Nova.
Use those drops sparingly.
If I don't look very excited, I think like drops like this you can add into like your lotion or like your foundation for like extra glow, and I'm just not that into super glowy skin.
Yeah, you don't want to be shiny?
I don't want to be shiny.
These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect.
Holy
on
moly.
the face
I
or
don't know
body.
if it's going to show up. I don't feel like it's showing up.
Oh, I see it. Here, pull back a little bit.
Why isn't it showing up?
Wait,
Oh, there we go.
Ah.
That's like... A glow is one thing, but like glitter is just not me.
Oh, maybe just
Favorite?
put it in certain, like for highlighter or something. I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. It's cool to get that, and Cover FX is a really good brand. I just don't think it's like my favorite thing.
Sell it for $44.
I have
Those are very
from
blinky. Farrah Galaxy Gold Tweezers. Stole it from you.
You stole it from me? No, I don't know what they're. I can't even. Got it.
These dual ended.
Yeah.
Oh.
I had it upside down.
Interesting.
So it's like a wider.
That's kind of cool.
And these look like I would take my eye out because I am.
That's when you gotta really dig in for that.
Dig in.
These dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This unique patented design is made with surgical stainless steel. You can perform surgery with them. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. It is a $12 tweezers.
I don't know. I mean, that's cool, but I don't know. It's kind of just
Also a weapon for in your purse.
That's true. I could carry those around. I just don't know. I don't know about these, and I don't know about this hair today. Holy moly!
Oh, it looks fine.
You look like I'm trying to be from the '80s.
Well, you are from the
Shut up. Next up, from Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. Okay.
$12. Cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Hey, you can use that.
Yep.
Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. Cool.
Trying to see what it smelled like, but
Orange, probably. Oh, our hands are clean.
It smells like hand sanitizer.
Well, it's just orange.
Yeah. That's
Orange
cool.
peel and gentle cleansers.
Alright.
And the
Last thing.
You know what this was?
Yep. This is a palette from Ace. Is it Ace Beauté, maybe? I've not heard of this brand before. It's super cute, though.
I want to say Butte, but...
Is it Butte or Beauté? I don't know. I haven't heard of it before. So,
I don't know how to pronounce this right, so...
looks the same on the inside. Or, yeah, under the sleeve. Not on the inside.
Ooh.
Does not have a mirror, but these colors are really, really pretty.
Featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes, your new Grandoise palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. $24.99.
Oh. Oh, yes, the theme this month is Gold Digger. Apparently.
And that is for your eyes.
Some of these are pretty
bright.
powdery, though. Just watching them. Yeah, there's the colors. They are really pretty. Some of them seemed a little powdery, but...
What would you do with, like, the pinky and the purpley?
Put them on, like, your outer corner to deepen your outer corner, or...
You kind of got pink on now, don't you?
Mm-hmm, and bright blue. So that's cool. You never know by swatches. Sometimes they might swatch really bad and work really well in the eyes and the opposite. But that's cool. I like the colors, though. They're pretty. So, your total value. Let's see. 24, 48, 69, $113.99 if my math is correct. So the value is still good. I don't know. I like the palette and I really like the brushes. Cover FX thing is cool, but I just don't think I've used it. I kind of have a makeup brush cleaner that I've used for a long time. So this is just kind of, I mean, it's cool, but
Oh, when you run out the other one, use that one.
And tweezers, I mean, that's cool, I guess. And I don't think this was my favorite box, but it's still good value. Like, even the palette costs more than the box, and I will definitely give that a try, because I
like these colors, but I don't like these ones.
Okay.
But I wouldn't know how to use them.
You like the more neutral?
Natural. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with the bright things. Besides look like that character off the Drew Carey show.
What, Mimi? Is that what her name is? Alright, that is what we got from Boxycharm this month. If you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. We hope you have a great day. Great day. I can't speak.
Have a best awesome day.
Best awesome day ever. Well, yes, we hope that.
Yes, we do. No. She's like, no. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't have a good day now.
Just
Really,
have a good day.
And we will see you next time. Bye.